just checked into our hotel at Grand Hotel Wien. It's in a central location in Vienna. This hotel is very luxurious. It's very historical. Everything looks very royal. They have like these old school beds. Definitely not modern. They're definitely going for like historical royal look. And start over here. They have this phone and a little notebook, and I love these pens. I might take it, we'll see. Over here, a TV. And I'm guessing this, oh, restaurants and bars. So I know they have like, they said they had breakfast upstairs for 36 euros, which I will not do. They have a nice desk, another phone, another cool pen, more information on the hotel. So this is the nice sitting area and a little table. Those are always nice. And they also provide water. I thought it was gonna be expensive because they usually are in hotels, but it says with compliments, so it's free. Oh, it's a glass bottle too. Nice. The view, I can't really like see through these like sheer curtains. Oh, there we go. The view is just the building. It's it looks like it goes in a loop, and we're on the inside of that loop. They have this like really grand chandelier light, which is really pretty. Some more pretty lights here. Then the hallway and this bathroom. It's like all like gold plated. The sink, two sinks, double sinks are always nice. Look at this. Oh yeah. And then they also have these close-up mirrors, which Candy would love. She would be going crazy over this. And let's see, toiletries, they got a shower cap, shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and lotion. So typical stuff. They also have a shaving kit, dental floss, polishing file, a comb, some Q-tips, and a dental kit. Oh, and like lots of washcloths and this nice soft towel. I love soft towels. Oh, and they have like this little chair here too where you can sit down and do your makeup. There's an old school scale and dryer in there. And oh, this shower again looks so royal with their like gold plated everything. And they have more body wash in there, two big towels, the toilet in a separate room with a bidet in front of it. Still have not used a bidet, but everybody tells me that I should try it. Also notice in this bathroom that they provide little baggies for women and, you know, their period time. That is so thoughtful. I have never seen that before. They should really start doing that everywhere. It'd be really, really nice for the ladies. Oh, and back up here they have a robe, two robes. They feel pretty nice. What's in here? Okay, a big closet. A closet with an umbrella. An extra blankie, some hangers. What is this? Trouser press. I've never heard of this. Have you ever heard of a trouser press? Yeah, I have to come look at this later, but I have never heard of this trouser press thing. So you put your trousers in here.
Oh,
and then you
I guess
put
it's an iron.
Yeah, you put it on for like 45 minutes and I guess it flattens it.
I've never heard of this.
Yeah.
Nice.
This...
I'm all pressed on trousers.
So we might be using that. Oh, they have a nice shopping bag with Grand Hotel Wien in front of it. This feels like slippers. Yes, they're slippers. They provide slippers. And shoe shine, I believe you have for your shoes. Let's see what's in this store. Oh, yay, that's where the coffee is. So coffee, I believe that's, oh no, tea. Is it just tea? I think it's just tea. Unless, what's this? Oh, maybe this is the coffee. Oh, it's like their version of Keurig or Nespresso. So yeah, they do have coffee. Awesome. Okay, so that's in this little drawer there. And what is this? Oh, okay, this is the safe. But, oh, you use your card key to open it. Oh, let me try that. I've never done that before. I actually, if it does work with the card key, I prefer that you use with your card key because I always get scared that I'm gonna get locked out with using a code. So let's see. Let's open this. Oh. No? Oh, it does open. So that means it's open. And does that lock it? Oh no. Oh. I don't know how to use this. So that was a little tour of our room. I'm pretty excited to stay at a hotel because so far on this trip we've stayed at Airbnbs, and the rest of the trip we'll be staying at hotels. And the Airbnbs were great in, well, the one Airbnb that we stayed at in Budapest was great, but the one in Bratislava, even though I love that city, the Airbnb was like okay. There was like a lot of noise around there, so I didn't get that much sleep, and I'm like really tired today now because of it. There's people partying till 6 a.m. in the morning there. I didn't know there were such party people, but at least in a hotel room, I mean, it sounds very soundproof in here, so we don't have to worry about noise, and I could sleep peacefully. But yeah, so that's pretty much it here, and I will get back to you on how I enjoyed my experience. So it's the last day at Grand Hotel Wien, and we're checking out now. Well, we're not checking out now, we're actually getting ready to pack as much as we can because we're gonna go explore a little bit and then come back and check out. Checkout is usually at noon, but I asked for a little bit of a late checkout at 12:30 because our train is at 1:40, and just wanted to explore a little bit more of Vienna until we leave. So they were like, oh yeah, 12:30 is no problem. But just wanted to know a few more things about our stay here. I noticed that in the bathroom, the mirror is anti-fog or anti-fog. Because, you know, usually when you come out of the bathroom, it's super, like the mirror is all fogged up and you can't see and you have to like wait, but in the middle, like all of it is, they have like some anti-fog system. So the beds weren't the most comfortable, but with that being said, it was the best sleep that I got my whole time in Europe. So even though it's not the most comfortable bed, I slept the best, which is weird. So the soundproof system is excellent in here. I didn't hear any noise. And oh, they have turn down service. So turn down service is when they come in and ask if you need anything else before you go to bed, and they, you know, tidy up the room and stuff. But we didn't really need it since we were kind of tired, and yesterday we weren't in our room most of the day since we were in Salzburg for the whole day. So by the time they came back, the room was still like pristine and clean, and so I was like, no thank you. And then I give you like 2 of these little chocolates. So I just collected those. There's also restaurants here. There's a Japanese restaurant. We tried to go, but they were full. They were like booked, but by the time we got there, because we just asked if we could have a table for the night, and they're like, oh, sorry, we have a big party. We're all booked, so couldn't do that. There's a mall actually connected to this hotel too, so if we have time, we might go check it out. The location is excellent. It's only 5 minutes from the main meeting point where all the tours are. It's actually the Vienna tour office. It's like a huge Vienna tour office nearby, which is 5 minutes, and it seems to be the meeting place for everything. So yeah, within walking distance to everything. There are, you know, hotels that I noticed like in that main square or in that main area, this super busy area, but this is kind of away from that. So you have like, you know, best of both worlds. Like you have a little bit of quiet. You don't have to like deal with all those tourists walking back and forth on the street. You have a little bit of peace, and then you go into like all that chaos in Vienna because it's a busy city. Okay, leaving Vienna for real this time, and this hotel we're checking out now. It was really a lovely stay. I did get to check out the mall. It's actually really lovely. It's huge. There's like 3 floors, and right around the corner when you turn right, there is kind of like a Walgreens type store, a drugstore where you can get some basic necessities, toiletries. And then on the bottom floor, on the first floor, they had some groceries too, some fresh looking groceries. It looked amazing. And then I stopped by Cafe Schaefer, which is only a 5-minute walk from here. It's kind of like around the corner because they have like their famous cakes, and I just had to try it out. I just had like black coffee and their famous chocolate cake. It's a tort, I believe is what it's called. There's usually a long line there, but when I went at 11:30 in the morning, it wasn't that bad. There was probably about 10 people in front of me and only 15-minute wait. And then I got a table, and it was nice and gorgeous in there, and I got to enjoy my cake and coffee. So, heading out of Vienna now.